Sometimes I catch myself imagining space as something empty. A gap. A background where things happen. And then I notice how strange that assumption is. Even emptiness seems to have a texture. Silence isn't nothing, it hums. Darkness isn't absence, it holds. There's a sense, almost instinctive, that whatever this universe is, it didn't spill out randomly into a void. It feels contained. Held as if reality itself needed a boundary before it could begin moving. The Brahmanda Purana seems to arrive right at that intuition. Not loudly, not dramatically. It simply places an image in awareness and lets it sit there. An egg, a closed hole. No beginning visible. No end reachable. Everything folded inward before it opens. I don't know why that image feels so unsettling and so familiar at the same time. Maybe because life itself begins that way. Not exposed, not scattered, but enclosed, protected, gathering momentum quietly before expression. What is interesting is that this egg isn't presented as a physical object floating somewhere in space. It feels more like a condition, a state where differentiation hasn't happened yet, where inside and outside haven't been negotiated, where time hasn't started counting. The universe, in this view, doesn't explode outward first. It listens to itself. It waits. And that waiting feels intentional, not passive. When I sit with this image long enough, it starts to mirror inner experience. Thoughts don't arrive fully formed. Emotions don't appear finished. Even decisions often sit inside us as pressure before they become action. Something gathers. Something ripens. And only then does it break open. The Purana doesn't say this directly, but it doesn't need to. The pattern speaks for itself. There's also something quietly radical about imagining the cosmos as enclosed rather than infinite in every direction. Infinity usually makes the mind dizzy, but an egg finite, complete, gives the mind somewhere to rest. It suggests that the universe isn't chaotic abundance, but structured emergence, that everything we see, galaxies, time, life, death, is happening inside something, not scattered across nothingness. And then there's the question that naturally arises, though the text never forces it.